up some replacement wild, does it say wild? Some punch dies. I picked up 2 of them. See, they were like $4. I managed to. I don't know if you can see that, but that one's got a little bit of a bend in it now. I guess when I, where's the damn camera here? I guess when I whacked it on my on the last project there, yeah, the tip you could see it's kind of out of whack. It's been abused. Find another one. But anyway, I got 2 of these. I also picked up these for DeWalt 10-pack. Whee! It's like buying compact discs that'll cut steel. It was a 10-pack. They were $1.45 each. It was like $14 for a 10-pack. Usually they're not the greatest. I know. See, I bought these at Runnings because you can never go bad for $1 something each. They work pretty good. I also couldn't help it. Now I got 2 of these fancy, brand new, weird looking vice grips by Irwin. The only thing, I don't know if the other one has a. Wait, let me check. I might go check something quick. Does it have the same back end on it? Didn't notice that on the new one. I did not notice that. Where's the new one? Where is it? 500 vice grips, and where the hell did it go? Here is the new vice grip I bought. Well, this isn't cool. Is it in here? Not in there. Not in there, is it? You mean to tell me I lost a pair of vice grips? Oh no. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, okay, here you go. Look. Found something different here. Look, guess they're stinging out in China. Look. This one's got the standard vice grip knurl, and this one has some freaky bolt on here that, I don't know if you noticed that. And they appear to be the same. But other than that, the little freakiness is, yeah. I really don't, vice grip, don't change your bolts. I like these little knurled things. So anyway, that's it for the tools. Basically consumables. These things probably, if I use them right, they won't break like the other one. The other one is mostly wasn't for what I was using it for, but anyway. But so yeah, that's that. And if you like the video, like, subscribe, and do your own thing. I'm gonna test these out. Like I test all the cutting things out. And one of these days I'm gonna buy like one of each brand. I know I bought one of these Harbor Freight brands, and literally I was watching it just go and just disappear. So I know the DeWalt ones are pretty good. I know Walter discs, as far as I'm concerned, are the best. The CK ones I bought at Runnings, they're like meh. I bought some at Lowe's that just sucked. So enjoy. Thanks for watching.